Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video we are going to see how to create 10x lead contact from Facebook lead ads. So I own a makeup studio and to promote my business I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and to manage my leads I am using 10x Leap. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a contact should be created in 10x Leap. And for that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and 10x Leap with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is 10x Leap. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create 10x Leap contact from Facebook lead ads automatically. So I own a makeup studio, and to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I've also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically that lead should be created here as a contact in 10x Leap. And for that, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help us to automate this entire process. So as you can see over here that this is the landing page of this software, or you can directly search for www.pabbly.com/connect to reach this landing page of the software. Now on my right hand side you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in, but if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I am an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. And again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as create 10x Leap contact from Facebook lead ads. And as you can see over here that we have to select a folder over here. And for that, I'm going to click on this drop down over here, and after that you will see all the folders which I have created earlier. Now I'm going to select Facebook leads. Now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And after that, we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. So let's click on this, and here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant, and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. And after that, I'm going to click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And then select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now let's move ahead. Here we have to select a page. So as I have named my Facebook page as Divine Glamour, so I'm simply going to search for Divine Glamour over here. Let's select this. Now let's move ahead. Here we have to select lead gen form. Let's click on this, and I have named my lead gen form as contact form. Now as you can see over here that there is an important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send As button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking on the Save and Send Test Request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here it says waiting for webhook response, and there is a note. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that, we are going to search for Meta for developers. And after searching for Meta for developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. Let's click on this. And this is Meta for developers page. Now click on more and then go to tools. And after that, scroll it down, and here you will find Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is Lead Ads testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. And now to do a test submission, we have to select our page and the form name. And for the page name, I'm going to click on this, and here I'm going to select my page. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing leads. But as of now, I do not have any leads, so I'm simply going to click on this preview form. So this is the form which I have created. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to enter all the dummy details over here. So let's say the first name is Smart. The last name is User. Email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. Now I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. And a lead has been sent. So let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here that we have successfully received a response. The first name is Smart, the last name is User, email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up a trigger application. Now my action application is going to be 10x leap. Let's click on this. And here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this, and here I'm going to select create contact, as I want to create a new contact in my 10x leap account whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads. Now click on connect. Now to connect our 10x leap account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, here we have to enter the token ID, and to enter the API key over here, here are the steps given over here to find this API key. So let me take you to my 10x leap account, and here in 10x leap account, go to settings, and here in settings, click on my business info, and after that scroll it down, and here you will find API key. I'm simply going to copy this API key from here. And after that, I'm going to paste it over here in my Pabbly Connect account. And as I've entered the required detail to add a new connection, I'm going to click on Save. So we have successfully connected our 10x leap account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now let's move ahead. Here we have to enter the first name, last name, and all the required details. And for that, I'm going to use a method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous step. And I'm going to map the details from the previous response which I have received through Facebook lead ads. And the first name is Smart, the last name is User, and here we have to enter the name. So I've already entered the name over here, so I'm leaving it empty. And here we have to select contact created by, which is required. So here we have to choose the contact created value over here. For example, either email or phone number. So I am keeping it as email, and if you want to choose phone number, so you can do that. Now let's move ahead. So here we have to select the value for either email or phone number. So as I have selected email over here, so I'm going to map the email address over here, which is smartuser@pabblytudes.com. Now let's move ahead. Address, city, country, state, postal code, website, and other details are not required, so I'm leaving it empty over here. But if you want to enter all the details, so you can do that as per your requirements. Now I'm simply going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as you can see over here that we have received a positive response over here, which means we have successfully created a contact in our 10x leap account. Now let's go back to our 10x leap account and check whether we have created a contact or not. So as you can see over here that we have successfully created a contact named as Smart User, and the email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our 10x leap account. Now let's go back to our lead ads testing tool and check this automation in real time. Now in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing leads, and for that I'm simply going to click on delete lead. And after that, it says your lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to refresh this page once, which is a necessary step. And here we have to select a page and the form name again. After that, I'm going to click on preview form. And here I'm going to enter all the details again. So I have entered the first name as current, the last name as user, email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. Now I'm going to click on next, and after that I'm going to click on submit. And our lead has been sent. Now let's go to our 10x Sleep account and check whether we have created a contact or not. Now I'm going to refresh this page once. And as you can see over here that we have successfully created a contact named as current user, and the email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger in action application and it was a successful workflow, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is 10x sleep and my action event is create contact. And if you also want to create 10x sleep contact from Facebook lead ads, then simply follow this workflow step by step. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to us at this website. And if you find this video helpful in any way, then do not forget to share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.